What better than a bird party? Oh no, but just brought two guys for animal party. Oh, look at this! It's a raven. You guys see it? Yeah. Okay. Kind of cool. I'm with my mother. It's crazy hair. Everybody here. Everybody here in the zoo has crazy hair. It's a crazy hair party. Bleeding heart though. Those are cool. Look at that. Mom, look, it looks like it's bleeding. Look, it's called the bleeding heart dove. And look at the. Oh, look at that. Oh. That's probably how it protects itself to make it look like it's been killed or something. That's cool. Yeah. That is amazing. Look at that. It's amazing. Turtle dove. A weaver. Well, that's a crazy eye.
Taking a bath.
Those are cool. Next bird. What's up here? A knee. What's that? That's not a knee. Where is it? Is it? There's somewhere up there. There it is.
Look at this one.
Bald ibis. So guys, yeah, I am here. Just here. I'm here. And Houston Zoo Bird Garden. Well, what is that? Come on, let's see what it is. Let's try to identify it. Up there somewhere. It's up there in the corner. Let's wait for it to get out.
That one. Look. Oh, those are cool.
What is that? Another raven? Someone a raven. I don't know. Wait, let's see. Scarlet ibis, green joy. Blue-headed macaw. Where is this macaw? I want to see it. It's back there somewhere, probably. Wait, what is this? It's a vulture. Look at that. It's a vulture. That is weird. Look at that. Look how cool it is. It's about to take off. Look at this. He's turning his head upside down. Bird party. So, that's really cool.
Oh my goodness, that is a big one.
Big.